Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope so you are fine and safe. Okay, children, open your EVS textbook. Today we'll do a new lesson. That is lesson number 9, Mind Safety. So, children, here in this lesson, we will see some safety measures. So, develop personal safety habits in local environment and simple method of safety. See here, children, here are some pictures and we have to say why the girl is wounded in the picture. So here in the first picture, the girl is standing by her mother and the mother is cutting the vegetables. And in the next picture, the girl starts to cut the vegetables. And now children, in next picture, here the girl has cut her finger while cutting the vegetable. Next children, here in this picture, the mother is plastering her finger with the hand which is wounded. So children, from this what we understand, children? We understand that we should not use sharp things without elders' help. Okay children? Next page. These are the pictures of some of the things which are used commonly in our house. Write their names in the box provided. Have you ever tried to use these things and why? So children, here they have given some things. So children, we should not use these things without our elders' permission. So what are those things? This is knife. You have to write the name, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Here blade, B-L-A-D-E, blade. Next children, hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. This is motor, M-O-R-T-A-R. This is grinding motor. Next children, here this is grater, G-R-A-T-E-R, grater. This is iron box. Next children, this is scissor, S-C-I-S-S-O-R. This gas stove. So children, these are the things which we should not use without our elder permission. Okay children, now next page. See here children. Can you see children getting hurt in this picture below? Why are they getting hurt? Have you ever done anything so careless before? How will you protect yourself from such danger? So children, here all the children are getting hurted. So why they are getting hurted? Let me see. See in this picture children. In the first picture, the boy touches the hot vessel and his hand is being hurted. In the next picture children, here a girl cuts her finger and she is wounded. In the next picture children, the boy is hurted while walking. He gets a thorn. The thorn has poked his leg. Next picture children, the boy is slipped down. In the next picture children, the boy getting electric shock while switch oning the switch. So you should be careful. Next picture children, the boy slips down from the wall. So, and next picture children, the girl is sharpening something. The girl is being hurted. And next children, the boy is playing with the hammer. His finger is wounded. So children, these are the things, if you not do, it will, if you don't do it, you are very safe. In the next picture, next page children, here the boy is bursting the cracker, and here the boy is putting something on the girl. So these are the things you should not do at home. It will hurt yourself. We should not use a knife, a pair of scissors, and a saw without the help of the elders. If we follow the advice of elders, we will never be in danger. Learn to use these things carefully with the help of elders. So children, we should use the sharp things under the help of elders. So here are some prevention measures. Let me read out them. So don't throw piece of bangle, blade, glass piece in the playground or in your classroom. So children, you should not throw any piece of bangle, glass piece or any sharp things in your home, in your school or around your surrounding. It will hurt someone and it may hurt you also children. Next, take the guidance of the teacher in the school when you are using a knife or a switch. So children, when you are in school, you will have to take the guidance of the teacher. Make sure that there are no sharp things like piece of glass and waste things on the playground while you play. So you all have to make sure children that when you are playing in the playground or anywhere at home, see whether there is a sharp pieces of glass or anything which hurts you. There will be students who are younger to you. Be cautious and see that they are not in danger. So children, in your school there are younger students, like even if you are studying in 3rd standard, your younger students, there are 2nd standard, 1st standard, LKG, UKG. You all have to see that they don't use these sharp things. So children, you may come across some danger even when you are out of your house. Learn to be careful. So children, you all should be careful with all this precaution. So next page children, page number 91. Look at the given picture. Put a tick mark for the correct action and cross mark for the incorrect action. Discuss the reason why you're with your friends. So children, here are some pictures given below and now we have to see this. Here children, a girl has cut her finger with a sharp thing. Is this correct? No. So you have to put a cross mark. Next children, the boy is playing with the hammer and he is wounded. His finger is wounded. So this is also wrong. So here next children, the boy is crossing the road. So this is also very dangerous. So it is wrong. So in the next picture, the boy is standing in the corner of the road without crossing. So this is correct. Here next page children, next picture, the girl is lighting the cracker with a distance. So this is, yes, this is correct. In the next picture, the girl is lighting the cracker in a hand only. So this is wrong. We should be very careful while we are lighting the crackers. It may burst. So in the next picture children, the girl is eating banana and she is throwing the banana skin on the ground only, on the road only. So it is wrong. So why it is wrong, children? If anyone slips and falls, if they put the leg on the banana skin, they will slip and fall. This is wrong. So in the next picture, children, the girl is eating the banana and throwing the skin in the dustbin. Yes, this is correct. So children, in this lesson, what we learn is we should be safe when we are using all the sharp things. We should not use ourselves. We should take the help of the elders, and we should use all these precaution measures. Okay children, now we'll end up this lesson. Okay children, now we have finished the lesson. Thank you children. Bye children.